Hi everyone, happy weekend. It's been a while since I've done a video like this. This is Sunshine, by the way, from the Philippines. I just want to share this. I used to think digital marketing wasn't for me. I had lupus, I was tired most days, and honestly, I doubted if I could keep up. But my husband John didn't give up. He started this first, even when I was skeptical. He worked on it part-time late at night while still handling his regular job, 9 to 5. And little by little, I saw the results. We were able to pay off our bank debt, something we once thought would take years. We could now provide for our kids' needs, unlike before when we were just barely surviving. Then, that's when I joined him. Now we're both doing digital marketing for our kids' future. It could change her life. It could change yours too. Kudos to you, John Maven. I'm so proud of you and so thankful for you not giving up on this path and still continue striving for more. If you're tired of barely making it or you're looking for something that can change your life just like it did for us, send me a message. Just type start and I'll show you how we did it. Have a wonderful day. Have a great weekend. Take care.